Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're tackling brain fog. You know, that fuzzy, can't quite focus feeling. But we're not just going to talk about it. We're going to break down how to fight it by looking at it as a physical problem, and a solvable one at that.
So let's just start with this one core idea. What if that mental haze isn't just in your head? What if it's your brain's biology, literally sending you a signal that something's off?
Okay, the best way to picture this is like a traffic jam. Your brain is this incredible, high-speed system, right? Well, brain fog is what happens when that system gets clogged up and just slows down. Our job today is to figure out how to clear that jam.
So here's how we're going to do it. First, we'll look at what this problem actually is. Then, we'll talk about what it costs you, the metabolic tax. After that, it's all about solutions, resetting circulation, refueling the brain, and finally stopping your body from sabotaging itself.
All right, first things first, let's totally reframe how we think about this. Brain fog is not some vague feeling or a personal failing. It's a real biological issue with causes that we can actually identify and fix.
So when you boil it all down, a fuzzy mind really comes from two things going wrong. First, blood flow to your brain has slowed down, it's become stagnant. And second, because nothing's moving efficiently, all this biological waste, what scientists call oxidative stress, is building up.
So what's actually causing that sluggish feeling? You can think of it as a metabolic tax on your ability to think. It's literally the price your brain pays when its own system becomes inefficient.
Imagine trash piling up on city streets because the garbage trucks aren't running. That's kind of what oxidative stress is. Your brain has this natural flushing system, the cerebral spinal fluid. But when that system gets slow, the waste builds up, and that's when everything starts to feel foggy.
And this is the crucial point, right? It's a problem of delivery and waste management all at once. Slow circulation means your brain cells are starved for oxygen and nutrients, and at the same time, all that metabolic garbage is just piling up.
Okay, now for the good stuff. What do we do about it? Well, we have some very specific tools that can basically restart the brain circulation and kick that whole cleaning process back into gear. It's like calling it a special crew to clear that traffic jam.
Now this is really interesting. Check out this 1-2 punch. First up, you've got ginkgo biloba, which helps relax and widen the blood vessels, basically opening up the highways into your brain. Then, bacopa monnieri comes in to help flush the whole system out, getting everything moving again.
And it's not just ginkgo, you know, other natural compounds can really help too. Take rosemary, for example. It also helps boost blood flow to the brain, which in turn helps get rid of that foggy feeling by delivering more of that much-needed oxygen.
Okay, so the highways are clear, the traffic is flowing. What now? Well, now it's time to send in the right fuel. Your brain absolutely needs specific building blocks to think clearly. This table just lays it out perfectly. If you're low in vitamin B6, your brain literally can't produce the right chemicals. Low in vitamin D, well, that makes it harder for those chemicals to even work properly. And low iron, that means less oxygen delivery, which is why you start zoning out. See the connection?
And it's not just about fuel for energy. Some things act more like bodyguards for your brain. Omega-3s are a perfect example. They have these powerful antioxidant properties that directly protect your brain cells from that nasty oxidative stress we were just talking about.
So for our last step, we have to look outside the brain itself. Because sometimes that traffic jam is actually being caused by problems happening somewhere else in your body. It's like system-wide sabotage.
This is so important. Cortisol, your main stress hormone, is a total double-edged sword. If it's too low, you feel that mental burnout and low energy. That's where something like adrenal desiccated can offer support. But if it's too high, that constant stress just crushes your clarity, which is where an adaptogen like ashwagandha can help bring you back to center.
And here's another surprising one, your liver. Yeah, your liver. If your body's main detox filter is all backed up, those toxins can really cloud your thinking. Herbs like dandelion root, ginger, and milk thistle can be great for supporting its function.
And one last amazing tool, especially if your brain fog is caused by stress, is L-theanine. This amino acid is incredible. It helps you relax while at the same time boosting your alpha brain waves. That's the state of calm, alert focus. It's kind of like the ultimate Zen mode for your brain.
So what's the big takeaway here? It's that clearing brain fog isn't about finding one single magic pill. It's a whole system. You've got to unclog the traffic, clear out the waste, give your brain the right fuel, and make sure the rest of your body is supporting your efforts, not sabotaging them.
And, you know, at the end of the day, understanding all these moving parts is what gives you the power to actually do something about it. Your brain has a reset button,
and now you know exactly how to push it and clear that haze for good.